Hello, everybody. Welcome to another live stream. Chaos Streams. Wow, 80 people are online now. Cool. Excuse me. All right. So today, let me get a browser window for us. Over here, we are going to use X-Ray NPM. We're looking at building a crawler of sorts. Cool. So this is pretty much it. Let's do that. And let me open up hack and slash in another window, ideally not exposing any of my consulting clients' information here. Okay, did you open it? Hack and slash. Sweet. Super Jerry, hey, how's it going? Never fear. Welcome. So I thought today I might play around with building a crawler of sorts that crawls other web pages. This is one of my friends who's a business associate as well was talking about a product where we could do some crawling, and there's products like this out there already, but why not do this here? So what we need to do first thing is to npm i-s capital S X-Ray, which we will install X-Ray. X-Ray uses basically allows you to crawl websites. So this will crawl Y Combinator for anything that's a post, and it'll go in and find H1 tags and articles, blah, 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 blah. So we'll actually just run that code pretty quickly. Didn't I have a router here? Did I make a router? No, all the routes are just in here. Okay, we're going to just make a routes thing real quick. New directory routes. I like everything nice and neat when I program. In reality, this would probably be a batch job, so I'll probably make some type of service for it. Excellent. And let's do crawler.js. And this will have the same thing. I think we'll do just miss as well for the stuff we've already done. And X Royal, hi, how's it going? Good, warm, but what about you? Oh, I hear it's hot. Yeah, I hear it's hot in Europe. Eurogamer keeps complaining that it's very hot in England. Was it 35 Celsius or something like that? So I'm going to move all the other routes that we've already done over a little bit just because they're really just clogging this whole thing up here. Sweet. And we're going to go require /routes. And we're going to pass it app. So it calls all the stuff I just did there. Routes index, that needs to require /misc, and pass it app. And we're going to go and do the same thing for crawler. Cool. And then we're going to put all that stuff in NISC. Should be good to go. Ideally, it'll probably throw some require errors, need some requires or something like that. Okay. Routes index, crawler. All right. And let's just copy a route for now. So Yeah, around that. Yeah, how much does this differ from the beautiful soup and such? That is for Python. I don't know beautiful soup, but we have the ability to Google stuff. This sounds about right. Now the cool thing is since Node is runs the same JavaScript engine that JavaScript runs on, I do believe this can actually do a little bit of JavaScript. I don't think it just crawls HTML. It can actually do some JavaScript, dynamically using JavaScript. Yeah. So I'm not 100% sure on that, but I think it's got a little bit more versatility. So what was I talking about? HyperMX, how's it going? Yeah, BS4 to request. Yeah, that looks like it's similar. Like I said, it probably has a little bit weaker JavaScript support. But this functions like this actually uses jQuery, and so you can use jQuery selectors and such. So that's cool. And you can crawl once. There's so much cool stuff we can do with this. All right, so let's just try the example up at the top here. And instead of writing it to results.json, see if we can output that in some. I think there you go. Function error title. So set a dot right. Let's see if we can get it. I'm not sure if we just call it, or if we have to do something if we use these fancy paginates and all that stuff. Then, all right, that's what we got. Then and catch, that's what we need. All right, gather this right stuff. All right, now we're gonna move this, of course, to the top as constants. Actually, we could probably take that, leave that there. This would be a const. And all we're going to do is we're going to just take this, and instead of console logging, we'll do res.send json.stringify. Hopefully that'll work. Let's stringify the whole darn thing. Why not? And I guess we'll just send the error. I think it's res.status 400. We'll go 500. Dot send er.message for now. I guess we'll just be pretty obvious with it. Error. Until I've been writing PHP by the fact I just tried to concatenate strings with a dot. Craziness. All right, so let's go ahead and run this thing. I believe it's npm start. And I'll catch up on the chat while it's doing that. Oh yeah, I did tell you Forge. Forge 1.16.2 is out. No, I didn't know that. That's good. I thought you said that Minecraft 1.16.2 is out. I'm not sure about Forge. Either way. Oh, my bad. Yeah, okay, all right. HyperMX is ahead of me, as you guys typically are. All right. Oh. Did it not work? Was I doing node index? I don't have an index. Node, src. And I don't remember what the run command for this. Oh, wait. Yeah, this should. You know what? I got this thing that does stuff. All right. Nope, opening the wrong window. Okay. Did I actually change this? I didn't. Crawl. Okay, restarting. Okay, so we're gonna go to /crawl. Res.send is not a function. I forgot how to send stuff in this, considering I wrote it. Res.send is a function. Oh, naming conventions, foolishness. All right. We got 7 people on. How's it going, everybody? In case you're late to the game, we are currently crawling, building web crawler, kind of. From scratch. Hey, look at that. We've got a bunch of stuff that is. So it's got the title, which we selected, the title, H1 anchor tag. And now it's blah, 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 and we've got the link. So now we can crawl websites. It's that simple. Okay. So what to do next? That was pretty much the majority of what I was going to do today. That went really fast. So, any ideas of what you guys would want me to crawl out there? That could be fun. Yay Forge was released earlier today or late yesterday. Cool. Hey, Diz Miner, how's it going? Welcome. We were just looking at building a web crawler to crawl various things. And in reality, I would use a Lambda because I can make those pop up with a lot of different IP addresses all over the place. And so I wouldn't get blocked as easily, which is good. So, trying to think. We used X-ray. Now display it in a fancy manner. Let me make it look pretty. Let's see. What would a view page source? 1 second. Nope. Null. 3. And restarting. And refreshing. And there we go. A little prettier for you. There. Is there a reason why you use Bootstrap for ChaosNet? That is a theme that I bought a long time ago. I've used for several projects now because I am the worst graphic designer or user-face designer on the planet. But I can write command line stuff all day long and back-end stuff. It's just, I just know all this stuff works so well that I think my brain doesn't connect with like how difficult it is for a normal person. But I do work with one of the best user interface designers I have ever met professionally, probably one of the best on the planet, one of the most humble people. And they do user interface design for me when I got a budget. But we don't have a budget right now, so. But if this product takes off, well, I'll probably use the same theme that I use for ChaosNet. So, all right, let's see what else we can do with X-Ray again. I got to refresh my memory. We got paginate, we got limit, abort if something happens, delay, concurrency, so the max amount of concurrent connections you can do at once. And again, we probably use Lambda, AWS Lambda to host this. So X-Ray driver. Huh. Okay, that's cool. Oh, you can pass in just straight up HTML. Let's see. I don't know if I told you guys about this, but a long time ago, not a long time ago, but like 3 years ago, I was working on a project that I have my own design, which I should have been putting on YouTube. Don't know why I wasn't. That was a podcast search engine that would search and classify podcasts and try and understand them. And then that's one of the reasons why I switched to working on AI so heavily is because I couldn't get it done normally cheaply, so I switched to AI and decided to try and get in there deep. All right, let's try this one. Let's see. It's interesting. It returns a function that can be called that has other things set on it. Actually, honestly, that's weird. All right, restarting. Let's just see what it comes back with here. Oh, it just found the title of Google. That's great. Wonderful. I'm teaching myself React.js. I think I might write something that displays ChaosNet neural nets in a fancy way. I've also been slacking off a fair bit instead of working on Chaos Terraria. Is it summer where you're at right now? I don't know. If it's a good weather season, I don't blame you so much. It's kind of been a problem for me is the weather's nice. Up to 9 viewers right now. How's it going, everybody? Sound it off. If this is your first time on a schematical live stream, feel free to shout out if you have questions about what we're doing. Right now, we are building a web crawler, and we actually accomplished a lot more of what I thought would happen very quickly. So, um, and to give you some background, friends of mine were a business associate of mine and I were talking about building a product that does crawls the web and does some intelligent stuff. So maybe we should find something with a table. What would we even? I'm trying to think of what information I'd like to crawl. It's raining here. Send some to me. Rainy season. Let's see when I was the only time I was in India was in February, so it definitely wasn't the rainy season yet. I'm pretty sure it wasn't. It was a tourist season in Goa, Mumbai. Yeah, it was all right. We're okay. Let's look at this. Let's MC Forge, M Forge. Wow, this is so out of date. Where's the download? I forget where that is. I'm tempted to make something that crawls that. We can make a Reddit crawler. Let's crawl r/artificial and see if I can't get blocked. So you put in r/artificial, and let's just say we want to get all the posts. No, don't. No. We need to get a little bit of information here. H3. So actually, let's use this instead. So we'll go H3. Or maybe I should do this. Actually, because there probably are multiple H3s in here. So look at the way they're doing these classes. They've tried to make it so it's. I wonder if they're trying to make it tougher to crawl. Yeah, they're obscuring their class names. All right. Well, we're gonna go with an H3. Should we do a H3? We're gonna get rid of this. I don't know what we're doing there. And then we'll let's see. Is it surrounded by a link? There we go. So interesting. All right, we're gonna see if this works at all. Wait, it's got red in it because I've got this in there still. All right, let's go ahead and refresh this. All right. Well, I didn't find any H3 tags, which I find that hard to believe. All right, let's try this. It is possible that it just isn't giving us anything. All right, files minecraftforge.net. Okay, we can crawl that next. This is interesting. Oh, welcome to r/artificial. Okay, so we've got one H3 tag there. So that's just so weird. I mean, they must get crawled a ton, so that's probably where they've got these obscure class names. Yeah, they don't have IDs. That makes sense. Yeah, they all single divs, no IDs. The divs, let's see if we can go up and try and find that parent to that div. Is that it? Well, we're going to use this class name despite the fact that it'll probably be useless fairly soon. Dot, whatever. And then we're going to uncomment this. I think, okay, it shouldn't be, that should be a comma. Let's try this again. Well, we got welcome to r/artificial. Does not seem to be returning an array of data. I'm going to get rid of this paginate. And we're going to have to limit to like 10. I don't think this is going to fix our problem, but I want to do it. All right, check. Come down to my city. I'll treat you to biryani, spicy rice with meat. Ooh, that sounds good. Every once in a while, I cheat. New Reddit UI, yeah. Website design definitely make their elements dynamic, so it's hard to automate and scrape stuff. Yeah, I mean, especially if they're that much info heavy. Try and get their XPath. I'm fairly sure you have to use a normal API you are intended to use. Yeah, I know. I shouldn't be trying to crawl Reddit. So, um, okay, here we go. Yeah, there's a Python Reddit API. All right, well, we can stop trying to crawl Reddit. Well, I'm going to try this one more time. Then we can stop trying to crawl it. We're going to go crawl files Minecraft. Yeah, I'm getting the first one. I'm just not getting anything after that. Kind of curious. All right, let's just hit this up and see what we've got. So one of the ideas that this came from is remoteok.io is made by levels.io, who's a rock star, probably one of my idols. He scraped a bunch of different job sites and created this where they could send people for jobs. So he did that by scraping a ton of sites. And so that was one idea, there for it. The idea we were thinking is more real estate related, just not quite there. This is interesting. HTTP files, Minecraft, forge.net, not loading. Okay, we got there in the end. Okay, so we're going to want to get this information maybe. Inspect. So it's a UL. So first we're going to fix the URL. It just doesn't take traffic on HTTP. Is that it? No. All right. Whatever. UL dot. That should work. And then we're going to look for. I guess we'll just grab a. Well, it's going to be a span, I guess. No, that's a before span. All right. We're just going to grab a and a at href. All right, let's see if we can do it. Okay, we got 1.16 new line. All right, so what am I doing wrong? because it's only getting the first one, it seems. Maybe it's one for each dot, whatever. So maybe I should do li. This could be all sorts of craziness here. There we go. So now we're crawling. We can get to 1.15, 1.1, whatever, blah, blah, blah. So there's these little subheadings. So we could disqualify those probably somehow. Scrape Wikipedia. Oh, cool. Hold on. We're gonna. Okay. I mean, I will give you permission to crawl my site if you want to. Well, it's you can crawl a lot of sites. I mean, they don't really have Reddit. Clearly, is serving us up HTML. They don't think it's any weird activity yet. It's not until you see weird activity. But Reddit will just serve it up. They could, block it by headers and stuff like that because I don't have the right browser headers in there, but I can spoof that. So they can't really stop me until they see that it's an absurd amount of traffic or something. So it's not uncommon to crawl stuff. And I mean, they're clearly making it tougher to crawl. They'll just change that every 24 hours. Randomly generated class names. You will just get ads to donate if you do that. Ah, cool. I think it's only working with HTTPS. Yep, you're way ahead of me as per usual. There is, of course, a way to do it with their own API, but I think there's indeed a way to do this. Well, I was looking at all sorts of data stuff. Let's see if open data. Yeah, so data, there we go, data.gov. But you can, there's all sorts of pushes for open data. So I wonder, what could I, data set by agencies. Control F. Now let's see what we got. Police department. So we can get all sorts. I mean, there's so much data out there now that you can get. Park crime data. Oh, updated September 2018. Okay, yeah, not really that useful. So there's tons of data out there if you know what you're looking for. But I think there's an intended way to do this. But yes, there is intended ways to do stuff. The thing is, so with the real estate stuff we were looking at, a lot of it's crawling like, city and county websites that are not API friendly. They're grossly out of date. And so, and some of these job boards, believe it or not, are fairly out of date too. But a lot of them have RSS feeds, which is killer if you can get that. So when I was crawling, let's see, what was it? I was crawling podcasts. We had to write some custom stuff for all these different guys, but they should podcast. Okay, it had it as the next listed thing. Show me RSS. It doesn't have RSS. There's somewhere in here. There's an RSS of it. We were able to find the RSS. I don't remember what it was. Get out of here with that. But and then we would actually we'd crawl the site as well to match it up with the transcript though. So I actually was pulling the transcripts out. I digress. What was I talking about? Let's see. All right, so back to this. We found this. Let's just go ahead and look in here real quick. Not there anymore. We don't want this one, so we're going to somehow inspect and discount that one. This might work. We'll restart. Okay, it's not working because it's not a direct descendant. What is it? We don't need you. We don't need you. There we go. Lia. Hmm. Actually, I could just do that, maybe. Nope. I gotta remember how to do Google selectors now. It's weird to get Li but not A, just straight A. Oh, because this would not be a title. It would not be a child of it. So all right. All right, here we go. No, it's not doing it. Class. Oh wait, I gotta restart this. Okay, so now we're back there again. Let's try this one. So anybody got any fun plans for the weekend? You guys went to a park or something? I did a park last weekend. Went hiking with Ernie. Oh man, Ernie tore up his owner's stuff. I don't know. He must be pissed at her. Ooh, not good. Didn't tear up any of my stuff, luckily. And it returns all the same stuff. Wait, maybe not? Nope, yep, did. Input not. That's weird. Plus spam. Hmm. Yeah, class Elm active. Elm active. Here, let's just select them for a minute. Select that. Restart. Well, that's interesting. It's not even finding those Elm actives anymore. Hmm. It's funny how this part I thought would be easy is hard, and the part I thought would be hard is easy right now. This should be the same as the CSS filter. I saw someone make a game that responds to in real life weather when using REST APIs. Something like that you could do a stream on. Yeah, I would love to build another game. We got to do a game jam. Super Jerry, you got to do this. A game or something else that reacts to APIs in real life, that'd be cool. So for those of you guys that don't know what this is, jQuery uses a selector language that's very similar to CSS. Well, it starts off similar to CSS and then it gets really complicated. Um, so, yeah. Oh, wait, the Elm actives don't have anchor tags. That's why we're not seeing anything there. Duh. I'm an idiot. I could select everything that's not Elm active. That's not just the LI too. I could just let's see what happens here. It's probably going to be a little crazy. Wait, maybe it's the quotes. I have a feeling those quotes aren't supposed to be there. Now, this is interesting. So it's selected a ton of stuff, but it still selected the Elm actives. I think I got to get rid of the quotes. I don't know where those came from, but I don't think they belong there. Oh wait, maybe it's because it's well, we'll find out. No, but still doing it. Dang it! All right, a lot of chatter going there. Schematical game jam. Let's do it. That would be fun. I haven't done any game dev in a while. I have a little, but making small games. The set deadline could be fun, like a weekend to make a game around a theme. I'd be totally down. I don't know. Hold on. Let's look at itch.io and see if any good game jams are coming up. I know that the big online one, I can't remember what it's called, is not for a while. We just missed it. But yeah, I always have a ton in here. Big Brain Jam, United Jam, Writers of Tomorrow, Five Powers Jam, Retro Jam, Houdini Game Jam. I don't know. No, anybody know of any good game jams coming up? Otherwise, we could host one. 8-Bit Jam. That sounds cool. I like the concept of doing what. Oh God. Here, I'm gonna blow this up. I like the concept of doing a jam or a game like if we can get that Dota engine, was it Dota, where every single pixel simulated. That would take so long to do, but that'd be cool. Retro game jam. Yeah, it only goes for a couple days. How many days? That's like a week. God, I would get nothing done consulting wise if I had a week long jam. We got to do a weekend one for me. God, these are so long. Look at it, like a month long jams. What day is it today? 13? A 3 hour game jam? Wow, that would be a fun one to do. I don't know how much we can get done in 3 hours, but starts in 16 hours. It's 16 hours. What time is that? That'll be, yeah, that would be bright and early, I guess, in the morning for me. Never fear, I'm learning to draw, but that is different purpose for making sprites for a game jam. Let's see, art for a game jam is where I struggle, but recently acquired some assets you can use. Pixel art is fun, especially on my iPad. Pixel art is awesome. I did that Rainbow Kitten or Laser Kitten, uh, Laser Kitten, whatever. Where is it here? I got followed by someone. Cool. Who is this person? Oh man, they've actually done some games. I'll come back and check this guy out. Laser Kitten Footy. Run this Laser Cat experience. Yes. Let's see if I can remember how to play. This was fun to make. Where's the fire button? I forget what button fires. Get the burrito. Oh, I got the ball. Can I kick the ball? No, I kick. I don't remember what the buttons are. But yeah, this pixel art for this was actually a lot of fun. Not that it's super quality pixel art. Dang it. Oh, that's right. I got the mouse so I can. Yeah, that's right. Get out of here. Go. Yes. Pixel art is good, yeah, but even that can be tricky. Yes, it definitely can be. Yeah, get out of here. No, no. Oh, oh, I got a goal. Dang it. Like, I forget how I. Oh, I forget how to fire off stuff. Okay, that's right. Kamehameha. Yeah, that was a lot of fun. I should probably finish this game. This is minor. One day I'll be able to make decentish pixel art. Hopefully, there's a lot of good tutorials out there. Once you understand some of the basics of shading and shaping, like not that these are really great, but oh my god, why is he going so fast? I'm getting my butt kicked here. I'm not really paying that much attention. Get out of there. Get out of here. Should I pick up making laser kitten football a little bit more and polish this up? Go, go, go. Right. Oh no. I don't know why they're not using their lasers. I don't think I put in AI for them to use their lasers real well. Deploy the why am I shooting lasers? Deploy the darn pickle. Evidently I can't deploy the pickle. I forget why. All right, I'm totally sidetracked playing this game. This is actually more fun than I remember it being. Chaos Olympics would be cool. So that what I forget what all would that entail? You guys think? What a Chaos Olympics? I can't. Sorry, I'm so distracted here by this game. No, get. You're not supposed to move while you're frozen. You bum. No, no. Ugh. Take that. No. Okay. I have a feeling. All right. Yeah, let's see what the fire cats do. Get out of here. Get out. This was so much fun making the various states for these guys. Why are the red cats on fire? Have I just been blasting the red cats? Oh, that's right. I can dash too. Yeah. All right, everybody. It's getting to be. We've been going for almost an hour now, and I'm clearly off task now playing this game. But if you guys are interested in doing a game jam, I'm totally down. I don't know when we should do it. When would be a yeah? You got to find some time to hammer it out when people would be open. I love building games and having fun like this stuff. The Chaos Olympics. Refresh my memory. What was that? Laser charge, 26%. Why are you not charging? Deploy the. Dang it! I can't forget how to deploy the various things. Yeah, this game needs polish. Get out of here. Get They're all going for it. And then I can still shoot lasers when I have 0 charge. He's stuck in a weird state. There was a way to charge up. What? No. Oh, God. Something like an obstacle course where people can pit their bots against each other, um, boating contests and such. That'd be cool. What was the thing called where you programmed your AI in a game and then sent it to a fun test? What was the thing called where you programmed AI in a game and then sent it to a contest? I'm guessing. I don't recall that specifically. Hey. Ah, 36%. Okay. Can I do the big laser blast? I can. Okay, maybe that's what I got to do to get the burrito to go. I forget what the instructions are. Contest. I don't. Disminer. Yeah, I'm not sure. I don't quite recall that. No, don't shoot your own guy. Why are you shooting him? Go. No. This is anarchy. You're wasting your charges. Okay, I managed to drop the catnip. Let me get that pickle. Okay, I got the pickle. Let's see if I can do this. Yes, pickle deployed. Freaked out the cats. Oop. No. Oh, God. Auto aiming system, and this was awful. Arrow IPS. Trying on the phone. Oh, typing on the phone. No worries. But I don't remember the contest specifically. Did I submit to it? I gotta get some lunch. Hey, get the heck out of here. Got a burrito. Kamehameha. Oh, wait. Kamehameha. That was so cool doing the pixels for that. The aiming system on this sucks. I think I needed to make the goal like a selectable target. Now I believe Code Bullet promoted it. That guy releases a video once a year, and the guy is super famous. His videos are pretty hilarious. Good delivery. Shoot! Nope. Where's the aimer? Why is the aimer stuck on that cat? Yeah. This game needs more. I don't know. Diversity. All right. I'll be on the Discord. I got to do some consulting stuff. And yeah. Thanks for following. Burrito. Aren't you kind of on a keto diet? Burrito. I don't typically eat burritos. And yes, I'm definitely on a keto diet. Did I say I was going to have burrito for lunch? I might have been saying burrito about the laser kit and stuff. So this game's free on itch if anybody actually wants to play it. I enjoy it. Needs cleanup though. But if you guys want to do a game jam, for real, I'm in. Other than that, support me on Patreon if you like the stuff I've been doing. And I'm always open to suggestions of new projects. If you guys want to learn to build your own crawler like we did today, I am pushing it up now. And so that is not how you'd go to production with it, but that is just kind of the basics of the code. Maybe another one if you guys smash that like button enough, maybe we'll do another one. But I think a game jam would be fun. All right, I'm done rambling. Take care, everybody. Bye.